music friends. So good to see you. This is Mr. Benson, and I am so happy you can join me today. By the way, the name of that song is The Victors, and it was written by a man named Louis Elbow, and is nationally known as the fight song for the University of Michigan Wolverines. So, let's stand up, music friends. Join me with your voices. Let's warm us up. Ready? Do, mi, so. So, mi, fa. Fa, mi, so. So, fa, la. La, so, do. Do, re, do. Do, re, mi. Mi, re, so. So, mi, do. Great job, music friends. Very good. By the way, tell me this instrument. If you guessed trombone, you are correct. It is made of brass. It's a member of the brass family of instruments. However, it's the only one to use its slide to change the notes. Unlike the trumpet, remember when I played the trumpet a few weeks ago, I pressed valves on top of the trumpet to change my notes there. But this one, I use a slide to change the notes. Depending on the length of tubing, depends on the note that comes out. Also, the mouthpiece is similar to trumpet, but much bigger. So, buzz my lips into the mouthpiece. And that starts the sound. Then it goes into the instrument. And because of the slide, you can do fun things on the trombone like glissandos. Listen, I can smear a note from one note to another. I'll go from an F to a B flat. Isn't that cool? Trumpets can't do that because of the valves, but because of the slide, you can glissando on a trombone. Now, this is definitely an instrument you can play in 6th grade band, and I want to show you a piece that features a glissando. See if you can guess this mystery melody. Do you know it? Music friends, if you do, keep it in your mind. We'll talk about it later in the lesson. All right, 4th grade friends. Now let's identify some music symbols and notes with Nina Ballerina, one of the characters in our piano series. So the first one, this is 3/4 time signature. 3/4 time signature. So the 3 means 3 beats in the measure, and the 4 means the quarter note gets 1 beat. 3 beats in the measure, quarter note gets 1 beat. Next one. This is called bass clef. It also has another name. It's also called F clef. So you can say bass clef or F clef. This is one of the clefs that you use when you're playing certain instruments. Piano has it in the left hand. Trombone uses it. Bassoon uses it. Cello uses it. Bass uses it. So there are several instruments that use it. Bass clef or F clef. Here is a note to identify on the treble clef staff. Who can tell me what this note is? What letter name is this note? If you guessed G, you are correct. And G is one of the notes that we will play today on our recorders. This is a G, second line. See that? Oh, let's take a look at this one. Another treble clef note. This is the second space. Who can guess what that is? If you guessed A, you are correct. This is an A in the treble clef staff. A. Oh, I forgot to mention something. Take a look at this. As long as we're thinking about recorders, what is the fingering for this G? Remember? Do you remember the saying for it? We say thumb 1, 2, 3, G. Say that. Ready? Go. Thumb 1, 2, 3, G. Now let's go back to that A. What's the saying that we have for the A on the recorder? Thumb 1, 2 is A. Say it. Thumb 1, 2 is A. Let's go to the next one. I wonder what it could be. Music friends, third line, treble clef staff. If you guessed B, you are correct. Say thumb and 1 is B. Thumb and 1 is B. Here we are. This is treble clef, third space. This is a letter C. Letter C. Now this is just thumb. So say thumb is C. Again, ready, go. Thumb is C. Very good. Okay, that is the notes of the recorder. Now, let's have Beethoven Bear up here. He'll help us with some rhythms. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and clap or use the homemade shaker for these rhythms. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice job. Next one, music friends. Ooh, some quarter rests. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. Again, ready? 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. That's it. You're doing great. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, and 4. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I just had a great idea. Grab your recorder and play this rhythm. I'm going to play it on an A. So I'll hold up the rhythm. You can play it on any note you want. I'm going to pick the A, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. So you can transfer these rhythms to any instrument you have. And that's what it means to be a great musician. So now we're going to go on to the recorder unit. All right, recorder friends, grab your instruments. We are going to do a rhythmic dictation on A. So every note that I play will be an A. You just repeat the pattern back to me, okay? Music friends, rest position. Music friends, playing position. Here we go. Great job. Air high five. Okay. All right, now recorder friends, we are going to do melodic dictation, and you can be on 4 notes today. So I will play a pattern. I will always start with the G. So I'll start with G, and then I will play a pattern using G, A, B, using G, A, B, or C. Now, music friends, I made a little bit of mistake earlier on, so I wanted to show you about that. The recorder note C, I think I said it with thumb. Not exactly, it doesn't come out quite right. You want thumb and 2. So make sure you're remembering that. The C fingering is thumb and 2, okay? So let's review our fingers. Let's play G, thumb 1, 2, 3. Now let's play A, B, and C. That's the thumb and 2. There you go. Okay, so I will play a melody, and I will not tell you what the notes are. I want you to play the melody back to me, and if you do not have the recorder here, you can just say the note names. Okay, here we go. G, G, A, G, B, B, G, B, C, G, C, B, G, A, G, G, B, G, G, B, B, G, G, C, C, G, G, C, B, G, G, B, A, G. Music friends, that's it. Nice job. Now we go on to our mystery melody. Music friends, so what was today's mystery melody? The answer to that is the Muppet Show theme song. Now, this was taken from The Muppet Show, which was a comedy and variety show that aired on television from 1976 to 1981. You should go check it out. It's hilarious. The Muppets are a fun group, and I strongly encourage you to check it out. So, that was the Muppet Show theme song. Let's learn it now. It has words that go with it. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. Okay, let's go again. And this time, let's sing it just a little bit faster. There's a little bit of syncopation, which is a little bit more emphasis on the upbeat of each value, of each quarter note value of the ands. So, got a little syncopation to it. We'll go a little bit faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show tonight. Good, good. We're going to do it again. Let's add our homemade shakers this time. So what I want you to do is add beats 2 and 4 like I was just snapping. So it'll be, it's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. Okay? I'll pat it down here, okay? On my leg, it'll be a little bit softer. I don't want it to be too loud for the video. Okay, so let's do that. And then at the very end, we're going to do Muppet Show Tonight. So it's 1, 2, and 4. Up, 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 up. Let's try that a few times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show Tonight. Let's do it again. And say it with the rhythm of Muppet Show Tonight. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show Tonight. Again. 2, 3, 4. Muppet Show Tonight. One more time. Ready? Go. Muppet Show Tonight. Here we go. So we'll go 2 and 4 until the end where it says Muppet Show Tonight. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to meet the Muppets on the Muppet Show Tonight. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to dress up right. It's time to raise the curtain on the Muppet Show Tonight. You did it. Very good job, music friends. Very good job. All right. The next thing we'll do is close out and review what we did today. So, music friends, what did we do today? Well, we heard Mr. Benson perform the Victors on trombone. Remember, trombone is a member of the brass family of instruments. We warmed up our voices using solfege. We heard a mystery melody on the trombone. We identified music symbols and notes with Nina Ballerina. We did some rhythms with Beethoven Bear. We performed on the recorders. We did rhythmic dictation. And we did melodic dictation using C, B, A, G. Remember, C is thumb and 2. Thumb and 2. Then we discovered the mystery melody, which is called the Muppet Show theme song. And we added rhythmic patterns or motives to it, clapping on beats 2 and 4, or shaking, and doing the rhythmic motive to Muppet Show Tonight. Music friends, it was so nice to have you today. Please watch this video later this week for some extra musical training, and then join me next week for our next lesson. In the meantime, music friends, stay healthy and safe. Keep washing those hands. Keep your room clean for mom. Listen to your parents and have a musical day. Let's sing. Ready? Goodbye, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's make music. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my friends. Goodbye, boys and girls. Goodbye, music friends. We'll see you next time.